Why I am deleting everything we had. I am not doing this because I stopped caring. I am not doing this because it was easy to forget you. I am not doing this because what we had meant nothing. No, I am doing this because it meant too much, because it still does, and that is exactly why it hurts. Why I am deleting everything we had. It started with a simple thought. Maybe if I remove the reminders, the messages, the pictures, the small pieces of our story, stored in places I visit too often, maybe my heart will finally understand what my mind has been trying to accept, that things have changed, that you are no longer here the way you used to be, that what we had belongs to the past now. But even thinking that feels heavy, feels unreal, because how do you hear something that once felt like everything? Why I am deleting everything we had is not about forgetting you, it's about trying to breathe again without feeling that weight every single day, because every message I read again pulls me back, every picture brings back a moment I can't believe I can't relive, every memory whispers a question, why did it? And I don't always have the answer. That's what makes it harder, because I'm not just deleting memories, I'm deleting questions that will never be answered. Why I am deleting everything we had is because I can't keep living in a place that no longer exists. I can't keep holding onto something that isn't holding onto me. I can't keep replying moments that only live in my mind now, because that is not living, that is staying stuck in something that has already moved on, and I don't want to be stuck anymore, even if letting go feels like losing a part of myself. Why I am deleting everything we had is because I need to protect my heart, not from you but from the pain of remembering you the way you used to be, because the truth is the version of you in my memories is not the same as the version of you now, and holding onto that only creates confusion, only makes it harder to accept reality. So I have to let go, not of who you are, you were, but of the idea that you are still that person for me. Why I am deleting everything we had is not an act of anger, it's an act of quiet acceptance, a decision made with a heavy heart but a clear mind, because I understand now that love is not always enough to make things last, that feels do not grant forever,